Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to birdwatch the Przevalski Parrotbill in Heartopia. The bird looks like this. I think it's so cute. And to catching this bird, it's useful to complete your birdwatching collections like this or birdwatching diary. And for the info card, you can exchange it for the rewards with PLG. You can also sell the info card to NPC Albert if you want to some extra coins. And to find this bird, you can go to the fishing village, more precisely at the fishing village square, and it will spawn all time, but only spawns at the winter sunny and rainbow like this. And for the locations is on the map. It's located on here, fishing village square. Just go to this area and then just equip your camera or scanner and then just go bird watching this bird. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.